This video shows how XperiDo for Microsoft Dynamics CRM can generate a document and email it as an attachment. To start off, open any relevant list view or record view in CRM. Next up, use the XperiDo command to bring up the available templates. Select the template that you want to use and click Generate. This will generate a document with all of the template's default settings. And for this particular template, one of the default settings is to create an email with the generated document attached to it. The link on the feedback dialog takes you directly to the generated email. It can be kept in a pending state or sent immediately. The from, the to, the CC, the BCC and the subject fields are all populated. The body content has been created making use of an XperiDo email template which renders to HTML. The generated document is attached. It's a PDF postcard that contains an entrance ticket for an event. If the end user is allowed to access the steps in the generation process, he or she can override the default email settings before generating the document and the email. To manage the template's default email settings, you can navigate to the Template Management section in the XperiDo Management console. You select a template from the list, go to Edit mode and open the Email Settings overlay. Here you can define the defaults for all the email fields. The From field can be populated by the current user who creates the document. It can also be a fixed email address, which can be, for instance, the email address of any user or queue in the system. Or it can be a dataset field, like for instance the email address of the user who is the owner of this record. For this particular template, the current user has been set as the default value for the From field. The same options are available for the To field. Here the default value will be the email address of the contact record you start from. Also the CC and BCC fields can be populated in the same way. The subject line can be set and personalized with text and tokens. The email's body can be populated in 3 different ways. You can opt to use the generated document as the body of the email, and in that scenario, the invitation postcard would not be added as a PDF attachment, but rendered to HTML and used as the body of the email. Alternatively, you can use another XperiDo template, a so-called email template, to populate the body. Eventually, you could also provide the user with a WYSIWYG input box to type his own email message. The Action tab finally is the place where you choose to either create an open email activity in a pending state or a closed email activity in a sent state. With all of these settings in place, it's just a matter of a few clicks to create a document and email it to its intended recipient.